Today on Designing Spaces, converting a sunroom to a year-round oasis, pest control for both the inside and outside, smarter financing for today's homeowners, plus tips on pool care. Time to open your pool. Let's get designing. Is your favorite room in the house actually outside? Stop letting the weather decide when you can enjoy the view. Instead of building an expensive addition, smart homeowners are transforming seasonal porches into beautiful, year-round sunrooms, turning breezy, bug-filled patios into cozy, climate-controlled spaces you'll enjoy every day.
We built the home in about 2022. We really wanted to be on the water. We wanted to take advantage of the views, raise our family here. We have 4 young kids at the time. We didn't realize how bad the mosquitoes were going to be when we moved down south, or how bad the no-see-ums were going to be. And we definitely did not anticipate the pollen. So because our porch isn't screened in or anything, we weren't utilizing the space as much as we thought we would. So we decided to go into an Easy Breeze. We really like the idea of the 3-season room. We did see it before at my parents' house. We figured it'd be a great addition to our house living in the low country. I just look forward to seeing the view a little bit clearer too and being able to enjoy it into the evenings. This is why we moved here. This is what we want to see.
Easy Breeze creates flexible, comfortable spaces designed for year-round living. Custom engineered for durability, style, and easy use, these panels blend seamlessly with any home design without changing its look.
So today we're here in Charleston, South Carolina, working with one of our tremendous partners, Southern Exposure, installing a porch enclosure system on this beautiful home. We're using vertical 4-tracks systems that are using black aluminum and clear vinyl, so they'll get a tremendous view of the water that they have behind the home. We also have a cabana door so they can have easy access to and from their porch. So by the time we're done with this project, you're never going to be able to tell that this wasn't originally built with the home.
So the main goals of this project was to enhance the view of the homeowners and as well as prevent any kind of pollen, rain, dirt from entering the room. We are in the process of installing an Easy Breeze sunroom. What was existing there was a screened-in porch with wood framing and steel cable railing around it. What we've done on the first day is taken out that existing screened-in porch, and we are in the process of installing our framework in the process of putting those Easy Breeze 4-track panels in it. The Easy Breeze system is going to allow for the homeowner to ultimately control the ventilation of the sunroom, as well as prevent any of that nasty weather from coming in.
While the installation focuses on craftsmanship and a seamless design integration, the real innovation is in the Easy Breeze system itself. It's the smart, cost-effective way to enjoy the feel of a fully enclosed space without the time or expense of traditional construction.
The Easy Breeze products are a porch enclosure product that uses aluminum frames and vents combined with vinyl so that you can see through to the outdoors. We have screens in them so that you can keep the bugs out when you want to open the system up. Or in colder climates where you still want to be outdoors, you can close your vents, enjoy that outdoor space without having to worry about the cold wind blowing through or something of that nature. Every job is 100% built to order. We customize based on size, product configuration. We also customize in 5 different aluminum colors. We have 4 different vinyl colors, and we have many different screen options, so you can really customize that solution for your home. Easy Breeze is a very cost-effective solution for a sunroom. It allows you to create a project with one of our awesome dealers. It allows you to get your order in quickly. We produce all of our products in a couple of weeks, and usually the projects that people are doing take about a day or 2, maybe 3 at the most. So you don't have to wait around for several weeks or months while they're doing some big construction project. There are many different spaces that Easy Breeze is an ideal solution. If you have a porch, a gazebo, a screened-in patio, something that you're looking to utilize more throughout the year, we can come in, quickly enclose that space, and provide you a great place for your family to enjoy.
What started as an open, underused space is now a bright, comfortable retreat designed for everyday living and effortless connection to the outdoors. If you'd like to reimagine your outdoor space, visit easybreeze.com. And as always, you can check out our website, designingspaces.tv. Home is where the heart is, but don't bug out because unwanted creepy crawlers may be hiding within, lurking under the floorboards in the attic or basement. And they could be outside too. Time to find peace of mind from the inside out.
So we moved to Texas about 2 years ago. My husband and I have been married for about 3 years now. We welcomed our baby boy in about a year ago. He is our whole center. We do everything together. We were looking for a more long-term environment for him. We decided to buy a house with a backyard for our dog and our baby. He loves being outside. Texas is where we decided to put our roots. Our house is our sanctuary. We spend the most time here, evenings, dinners together. We decided to spend more time outside, starting the garden, having my son go down a slide on the playset. As we were out there, we noticed a lot of pest activity, spiders, wasps, and bees in general freaked me out. My dad and brother are both allergic, so as soon as I saw them, I was like, packing it up, we're going inside. So we started doing some research on pest control companies. I didn't know really what to choose, what was best for my family. And then we were walking around the neighborhood and we saw the blue truck drive by and we decided to make that call. Hi, is this Moxie Pest Control?
We're here at one of our customers' homes. Today we're doing their initial service. So the key is to inspect, make sure we see what's going on, and custom tailor the treatment to the home.
It's a lockbox that we're gonna put bait inside that's gonna help control all of those rodents that are around your home.
And that's gonna include a full exterior and a full interior treatment.
Some questions that we had when we were talking with Moxie was, are the products pet and family friendly? We do have a 1-year-old and a dog, so that was super important to us to know. Another thing too is, how do they put out the products? What does it look like when they come to the home? And do we put it on the interior as well if we were to see pests? They were able to explain everything super thoroughly, walked me through everything I needed to know, and answered every one of my questions to a T.
Moxie really is a family-based and owned company that started out small in a garage and has grown into one of the nation's largest pest control companies.
So yeah, I did see a spider that lives behind this. He'll come out frequently, but I haven't been able to kind of catch him yet.
So been here long enough to be considered a pet, maybe?
Yeah, honestly.
One of the absolute worst case scenarios we see is having your peace and safety compromised by dangerous insects in the home, like spiders, ants, disease-bearing rodents, or other insects. There's 2 types of pest control problems. The ones that are extremely visible and you want them gone. And then there's the second type that you can't see until it's almost too late. Things like termites that are doing damage, costing you thousands in costly repairs.
Oh, yeah, you see that wasp nest starting to form right there.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'll grab my pole. It can go 30 feet high and we'll knock that down, and anything else we find up along those eaves, we'll take care of that for you too.
For their home, Alyssa and Tim wanted a quarterly protection plan that included general pest control, ants, spiders, typical household insects, plus mosquito and termite control.
Setting up with Moxie was super easy. They asked me a bunch of questions about what pests I'm seeing, notated everything. When they showed up at the door, I knew that they were truly listening to the problems that I was seeing. They also offer free termite inspections, and we decided to go ahead and get the stations installed with them as well.
Our annual service plans include tailored treatments by the seasons. Moxie also offers additional services like lawn care and commercial services, which allow us to give our world-class pest control to every business virtually nationwide. One of the absolute best parts of our service is the 100% guarantee. So if bugs come back, so do we. At the end of the day, we're here to build a relationship, not just provide a service.
The only advice that I would offer someone that's looking for a pest control company is to go with Moxie. They've been super friendly. Anytime I see a pest problem, I can give them a call and they'll come right out and get something laid down for me. So I have that peace of mind of protection at my home. And thank goodness for that blue truck. Now we don't have to worry.
To learn more, visit moxieservices.com or us at designingspaces.tv. For most homeowners, their home is more than a place to live. It's their biggest investment or asset. And in today's market, more people are choosing to stay put and maximize that investment with smart, flexible financial solutions that start right at home.
Since January of 2020, home prices have risen in our country approximately 50%. There's now approximately $20 trillion of trapped equity sitting in homes across our country.
Many homeowners are sitting on record high equity and exploring their options to tap into it. Understanding what options are available means learning how the home equity industry has evolved and what new options are available to help them achieve their goals in an easy, frictionless manner.
With the rise in home equity and borrowers' needs to tap into that, here are the 3 most commonly cited reasons. 1, debt consolidation. 2, replenishing depleted savings. And 3, the most frequently cited reason, home improvement.
Changing the way homeowners borrow starts with reframing the experience. Spring EQ has evolved the process, making home equity more accessible, flexible, and transparent.
Spring EQ is unique because we offer closed-end second mortgages, traditional home equity lines of credit, commonly referred to as HELOCs, and we also offer cash-out refinance options for borrowers looking at their first mortgages as well. Our own fixed-rate HELOC provides borrowers greater certainty and transparency into future payments. We offer closed-end second mortgages, which function very much like a first mortgage. And we also offer, for borrowers that are looking forward and predicting interest rates will be lower in the future, we offer variable rate traditional HELOCs as well. We close faster than traditional banks. Traditional banks tend to close in excess of 30 days. We close on average in approximately 15 days and can close in as few as 5 days with borrower engagement. If a borrower prefers a fully digital path, we offer that option. Fully digital, all online, full transparency, and no hidden fees. Or if a borrower prefers to speak to a licensed loan officer throughout the entire process, we offer that option as well.
For many families, equity isn't just numbers on a paper. It's the key to making their home work for them again. From debt consolidation to home improvements, the impact is both emotional and practical.
Me and my wife both love where we live. We've moved 3 or 4 times over the years, and we wanted to stay put. So I got a home equity loan because I have a growing family. I have a son and another son on the way. So we want to do home improvements by getting a garage, and above the garage will be a man loft with a bedroom and bathroom so I can have my man cave. When I was looking for a home equity loan, I wanted a company that would be transparent with me and supportive, but also a sense of urgency. With my wife being pregnant, I wanted to get the money as quickly as possible, and with Spring EQ, we were able to do so. My process with Spring EQ was very simple. I started out online, and it was followed up by a phone call with Greg. He was very helpful, made it personal with me, and he got me the money in hand within days. And I was able to call a contractor and start the process of the house renovations.
Home equity isn't just the backup plan, it's a resource. Used wisely and with the right team, it can improve both your home and your financial future.
Since getting the loan, we don't have to worry about moving. We're staying put. We got an additional garage, a bedroom, and a bathroom, and we're looking forward to baby number 2 on the way.
From dream renovations to debt relief, Spring EQ helps you take the next step with the equity you already have and the confidence to use it wisely.
Some of the common misconceptions of home equity loans are that you need to refinance your existing first mortgage when in fact you don't. Focus on the total debt payment. That there are not flexible options available for you when in fact we do offer those flexible options. And that perfect credit is required when in fact it's not. The lending process has evolved over time. It had traditionally been driven by banks, but over time you've seen the rise of the non-bank lender. engage with a trusted company like Spring EQ, where we have provided over 120,000 loans since our inception in 2016, and we've provided over $11.5 billion of financing to homeowners across the United States.
From debt consolidation to dream renovations, your home holds the key to a brighter financial future. With Spring EQ, accessing that potential is simpler than ever. For more information, check out springeq.com or visit our website, designingspaces.tv. Spring is in the air, and in colder parts of the country, that means one thing. Swim season is almost upon us. It's time to bring your pool back to life after months of sitting still. And if you're in a warmer climate where pool days never really end, spring still serves as a perfect reset point, a chance to give your pool a deep clean and refresh your water chemistry. So whether you're opening your pool or just tuning things up, let's dive into why it matters.
Most pool problems in the spring actually happen sometime during the winter time. So the timing of opening up your pool is really important. You don't want to just look at the calendar. You want to wait for the outside temperatures to be somewhere between 60 and 70 or a little higher, because the water temperature is going to change. And as your water gets warmer, algae begins to bloom. Scale starts to form. Cleanup begins to get tougher. So opening up your pool in spring is crucial. It's your first chance to get that water balanced and happy.
The first step for balancing your water chemistry is to check the pH, carbonate alkalinity, calcium hardness, temperature, and total dissolved solids, as well as cyanuric acid. All of that information will feed into what is called the Langular Saturation Index, or LSI.
So the LSI is a series of tests that you can perform so that you know where your water is. Is it corrosive? Is it scale forming? Or is it balanced? And the results of the LSI will tell you what to adjust to swing that water back to being happy or balanced.
HASA is a premier producer of high-quality liquid chlorine at a 12.5% concentration strength. The HASA and Orenda brands have proudly come together to making access to safe, clean, and clear water the standard of pool care. As a HASA subsidiary, Orenda is your go-to resource for specialty chemicals and pool chemistry education.
While every pool owner should feel comfortable testing their water and cleaning their pool, it can be tricky. So best practices are you should call in a pool pro when necessary.
If you still have questions about your water chemistry, you can visit HASA's AI assistant at crystalpool.com. And as always, designspaces.tv. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.